In this video, let me teach you how to back up Viber chats. If you have a lot of chats stored on your Viber and you want to make sure that you back it up on a different platform, let me show you how it is done. Now, whenever you enable the backup option and whenever you reinstall the Viber app, all of your chats will be automatically restored. So if you also want to do this, what you can do is first of all open up the Viber app. And then from here, you can head over to the more option on the bottom right and then head over to settings. From settings, head over to account. And here you'll have the option called Viber backup. Now, in order for you to add in a Viber backup, you need to first of all connect a Google account, meaning all of your Viber chats will be stored on a Google Drive. So just tap on the settings option right here and then log into one of your Google accounts. Once you've now logged into one of your Google accounts, it will take you to this screen where you need to make sure that backup on device data is toggled, and you can tap on accept on the bottom right. Now, once you link your Google account, any chats that you have inside of Viber, you'll have the option of backing up inside of your Google account in Google Drive. You also do have the option of automatically backing up. So this way you can either daily, weekly or monthly back up all of your chats automatically. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.